Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to align and justify text in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a video project, creating subtitles, or adding titles, knowing how to position your text precisely will help you achieve a professional look. Let's dive right in. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it loads, you'll see the interface with several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Edit tab to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and making all your text adjustments. For this tutorial, I have a sample text already placed on the timeline. Go ahead and click on the text element in your timeline to select it. Once selected, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel is essential as it gives you access to all the properties and settings for your selected text, including alignment and justification options. Inside the Inspector panel, you'll notice several adjustment options. The first one we'll focus on is V-Anchor, which controls the vertical alignment of your text. Here you can choose between bottom, center, or top depending on where you want your text positioned vertically on the screen. These preset options make it quick and easy to align your text to common positions. If you need more precise control, you can also adjust the V-Anchor manually using the slider. This gives you the flexibility to position your text at any vertical point on your screen, not just the preset options. Simply drag the slider until your text sits exactly where you want it. Now let's move to the horizontal alignment. Look for H-Anchor in the Inspector panel. Here you can click left, center, or right depending on where you want to align your text horizontally across the frame. These options work similarly to the vertical anchor, giving you quick preset positions. Just like with the vertical anchor, you can use the H-Anchor slider if you want to customize the horizontal position manually. This is particularly useful when you need your text to sit at a specific point that doesn't match the preset alignments. Drag the slider left or right until you achieve the exact positioning you're looking for. Finally, to justify your text, locate the H-Justify option in the Inspector panel. Simply adjust this to control how your text is justified horizontally. You'll also see V-Justify at the top, which allows you to adjust the vertical justification of your text. These justification controls are especially helpful when working with multi-line text blocks. And there you have it. You now know how to align and justify text in Davinci Resolve using both preset options and manual controls for precise positioning. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.